my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. Today, FabFitFun recently had just kind of one of their random sales, and I picked up a mystery bundle, wanted to share it with you guys. We are going to give away one of the items in there to one of you. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of June, it is the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below. Under current giveaways, it talks about how to enter this one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in this video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is from Aesthetica. It is the Be Fierce palette. Looks like this, and I have these shades on my eyes today. Sorry, somebody's mowing. Just started mowing outside. So I love FabFitFun. It's beauty, makeup, skincare, lifestyle, fitness, healthy, good for you type items. The FabFitFun box does come out seasonally, and you can do add-ons, and sometimes they'll have sales in between, and that's kind of what this one is, where I did pick up the mystery bundle for $29. I do have a code for FabFitFun if you're interested in checking them out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It'll save you a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. That code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. I also have some FabFitFun starter boxes to give away, and how those starter boxes work is you must have never signed up for a starter box or used the FabFitFun subscription in the past. What it is you give me your name and your email address. I send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun will send you an email and say, hey, Christina recommended you for a starter box, and you get, I think, 3 to 4 items, and there's always over a $75 value in it. And all you have to do is pay for shipping. Right now, FabFitFun does only ship to the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. So basically, you sign up for the service, and then you have 21 days to cancel if you want to. But like I said, FabFitFun is amazing. I think they're the longest subscription box that I have been subscribed to. Absolutely love them. So let's dive in, find out what you got. If you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. I did try, and they don't send a card with the mystery bundles. So I've tried to find out information on the items if I could. And don't forget, we're giving away one of the items to one of you. So the first things in here are from Makeup Drop. It is their everyday set. It's a silicone makeup applicator. Set does retail for $30. And it says the Ultimate Silicone Beauty Blender set comes with a clear original drop for the liquid products and serums, and a pink matte drop for creams and gels. Use it again and again for every step in your skin and makeup routine. So next is from Wander Beauty. It is their Wanderous Rush palette. It does retail for $25. Here's what the packaging looks like. And look how pretty those shades are. I don't want to swatch it just yet because I don't know if I'm giving away this one in today's giveaway or not. Or if I'm keeping it, I don't know what I want to do. But I don't give away used items on the channel here, so I would much rather save this till I figure out what I'm doing. So here we have from Craft & Foster. It is Coconut Lemon Grass Room Spray. This is 4 fluid ounces. Does retail for $18.50. Craft Foster Room Spray, made with natural spring water and sulfite-free, fragrance-free, and essential oils. So this is made fresh, clean, warm, sunny. These are just a few words to describe the humorous mix of zesty lemongrass and fruity pineapple. I don't know why they say pineapple, but whatever. It's with the middle notes of lily of the valley and peach to temper the citrus. This blend is beautifully in a smooth finish of coconut and sandalwood. It's sure to put a smile on your face. I really like that. It has a very fresh scent to it, and I do actually like that quite a bit. So love that. I'm gonna keep it probably here so I can spray it in here every once in a while. From Earth Harbor is the Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. It does retail for $40. It's a purple paradise. This powerful, fast-acting HA/BHA gel mask naturally resurfaces and cools and firms the skin with red seaweed fruit enzymes and white willow bark and aloe leaf juice to reveal greater clarity, look of improved skin texture and tone with a more youthful glow, all without irritating your skin. The Glow Juice doubles as a leave-on spot treatment. She's your gal for quickly calming, soothing, and rebalancing the skin. It does help with dull skin, redness, acne, pores, excess of oil. And here's what she kind of looks like. It is plant-based, holistic, vegan, fair source, sustainable, carbon neutral, plastic negative, no gluten added, small batches made, and it's woman owned. Secret word is every day. Now I thought it was a pretty good mystery bundle. I've had better, I've had worse, but for them to do an eyeshadow palette, I think it's been a bit since I've gotten, like a couple years since I've gotten an eyeshadow palette in a mystery bundle. Let's give away those makeup drops. I just use the Beauty Blender ones. So I'd much rather give this away to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and put on it that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries, and what you do is you only fill out the form once, but there's a spot to check on it if you did do those bonus entries. And only check that you did if you did do them. So how you get bonus entries is 1, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. 2, you can follow me on Twitter. It's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older, or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Now let's have this giveaway go through July 8th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on July 13th is what I'll do is I'll take all the Google forms, and if you did what you're supposed to be doing, if you marked if you did the bonus entries that you're supposed to be doing, I'll put all of that into my computer, put first name, first initial of your last name, and the computer kind of spins it around and we see all the names go around, and then the computer picks it. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of the forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share the information. I don't sell the information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. As soon as the giveaway is over, they're all deleted. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It helps out the channel when you do. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.